Oh shit. What's up, bro? I just want to say, hey, bro, that car is clean, man.
Oh, thanks, man. I like that bike.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm just sitting here watching them. They don't need me on the street yet, so I'm chilling, man.
That's what's up. What is this? Is this like a base or it's a SRT?
No, it's a base, man. I'm not driving around in like a scat pack or nothing V8 because shit, gas, bro. I've used it almost every day, so.
Hell yeah, bro. That's what's up.
Cheers.
I'm working security right now, but hopefully next year I'll be joining HPD. So.
Oh yeah, big money.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's worth it, man. The extra job is where it's at, you know. So, what you going through their academy?
Yeah, well, I'm thinking about either doing it through their academy or HCC and just getting my T-code. That way I could just lateral to any.
That's what I did, but if you're going to go HPD, it's a waste of time to go to HCC because they're going to make you go to their academy anyway. So you'll be
right
twice. One you'll have to pay for, and then HPD they'll actually pay you. So, I mean, it just depends on what you want to do.
Yeah,
because where to go. If you want to make this like a long-term career and it's really what you want to do, that's the way to go. HPD or the sheriff's office.
Is Houston Metro any good?
Yep, they're pretty good too. Yep.
Because they were my second option.
Yep, they are. HPD gets paid the most. I think the sheriff's office has
will be on foot patrol out near 31 Bravo.
But yeah, it's pretty good. Where you patrol at?
South Houston and near Pearland.
Oh, okay. You like it out there?
Yeah, it's all right. Pretty good action.
You ready to go already?
Yeah. But all right, bro. I won't keep you up. Stay safe, brother.